let me tell you about an obsession with cough drops that happened woefully 3 years ago. It all started when
I was playing with my trucks, my Matchbox truck. Mommy!
I tried using regular cough medicine, but it just wouldn't work. Then I found my cough's worst enemy, cough drops.
I thought I was really cool with my cough drop. When I came to school, my friends wouldn't want any. So I started scarfing them down by the dozens, by the trillions, by the millions. Then I had a great idea. And then I tried giving my friends some again. No! And then my teacher saw me with the cough drops and she wanted them out.
Did I just hear Teach cough? And that is the woeful story of a child with cough drops who was expelled 2 minutes after that event. Bye.